Forget trim levels and engine specs for a second. The most personal, the most important decision for your new 2026 Kia Seltos GT-Line is one simple question: what color should you pick? The Seltos GT-Line is the performance variant, and it's been given a new palette of 9 incredible monotone colors for 2026. These aren't just colors, they're a statement. Let's start with the freshest additions, the colors designed to turn heads. First, Frost Blue. This is an icy, sophisticated metallic. It's light, refined, and makes the black body cladding of the Seltos pop without being overly flashy. For the driver who wants unique elegance. Next, the color that has social media talking, Pewter Olive. This is an earthy, sophisticated shade. It looks gray in the shadows, but reveals a deep, unique green gold under direct light. A mature, high-fashion choice for the Seltos. Then we have Morning Haze, a soft, airy new hue that sits between a pale blue and a metallic silver. It's optimistic, bright, and an excellent choice for a daily driver that wants to stand out subtly. And finally, in this category, the brilliant ivory silver gloss. It's a pure, high-gloss silver that looks highly polished and expensive. Now, for the colors that bring a classic, aggressive stance. Gravity Gray is the urban warrior. Practical, but the metallic finish highlights every sharp line and body crease. It's sleek and modern. The timeless choice, Aurora Black Pearl. The pearl means it's not a flat black. The finish has depth and subtly shines. This is the ultimate color for making the GT line's bright Star-Map LED lights look intense and highly contrasted. And of course, Glacier White Pearl. The #1 choice for a clean, maximized road presence. The pearl finish gives it a creamy texture. Then we have the absolute statement colors. Imperial Blue is a deep, rich blue that looks commanding and expensive. It's a powerful but stately color. And the color of pure adrenaline, Magma Red. This is a fiery, punchy red that perfectly matches the GT line's sporty DNA. If you want your Seltos to look like it's moving while standing still, this is the one. So, there you have it, all 9 official monotone colors for the 2026 Kia Seltos GT line. From the icy cool of Frost Blue to the pure aggression of Aurora Black Pearl, Kia has given you a fantastic palette to express your style. Now, we want to hear from you. Jump down to the comments right now and tell us which of these 9 colors is the absolute best.